feel like I'm going to be incapable of not filming every single moment of this experience. They're just cleaning up the windows and stuff here. But it's got this spec is so nice. This color, this light gray color is beautiful. The details, like the fuel filler cap right here in aluminium, which sticks out. I have a friend that had to replace this on his car, and it was, I can't remember how much it was, but very expensive. TDF, this one's got carbon here. On the rear diffuser, this reverse light, which is like on an F1 car basically. I really like these light silver wheels with the black calipers, of course, on standard carbon ceramics. You've got these air exits right here, which are so famous on the TDF. Look, we've got a standard F12 Berlinetta right here, and you can see without those exits, it does make quite the difference. It's cool, huh?
So cool.
Yeah, it's outrageous.
It's incredible.
The spec is so cool. Look, carbon side skirts. These, which are new as well for the TDF. TDF, of course, limited to 799 produced. So the value of this is incomparable to the value of the Berlinetta, even though that's already a hugely expensive car. Yeah, no pressure. No pressure, Seb. And then, yeah, just everything changes. The front bumper's completely changed. This one's got carbon all over the front bumper. Even the hood. Everything is, yeah, just bigger, better, and more impressive. But anyways, let's hop in now. I thought about this. I was like, do I try and come up with a high production video, which is going to take ages, or should we just do a raw, you live this experience with me? And that's what we're going to do. You're going to come on my head, on my forehead as POV, and I'm seeing this interior for the first time. Look, Antoine's already inside, living the life, right at home. But this interior is stunning. So what do we have? We've got carbon, matte carbon all around the interior. Matte carbon's really nice. It's done so well on this. I mean, just the shape of this door right here, to get something of this shape in carbon is pretty outrageous. You got dark grey stitching, I guess, to go with the exterior, and black Alcantara all around. It's just a bath of carbon fiber. Look at this. Alcantara all over the place. The Cavallino in grey as well. You hop inside. Ugh, even the carpets are Alcantara. Yeah. Aluminium pedals. Yeah, Alcantara. Sorry, carbon fiber, matte carbon all over the place. The old style steering wheel, sport mode. We're going to leave it in that. And then you got the lift here. Okay, that's good to know. Cameras. The 2 screens, classic to Ferrari. That's an option, actually, the black rev counter. And then carbon all over the place. Oh, you got the passenger display. That's cool. Yep. You got the passenger display right there. All right. Oh, God. Okay. Not going to lie. Look. Oh, yes. 1 of 799. A little bit nervous with this car. It's quite intimidating, isn't it? Yeah. You guys are going to... The camera's going to go on my forehead. And then... Yeah, I don't even know where we're going. Anyways, let's do this. You're going to live my first impressions with me. Right. Just need to adjust my seat. I like to sit nice and close. Manual, not electric. Okay. Okay. What? Here we go. Lift. Put lift. Auto, no thank you. All right. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I'm leaving the lift up because that carbon front splitter is a little bit spooky, not gonna lie. Ah, here, left. Okay, we're kind of improvising on where we're going. Guys, I can't believe I'm driving a TDF. This is outrageous. Okay. Alright. Me neck. My first impression, to be honest, is just that the steering is so direct, and the suspension, it's like being on a skateboard. So hardcore, and the car is just, yeah, it's pretty wide. Feels big, feels very intimidating, I'm not gonna lie, to drive. Gearbox feels pretty smooth. You've got your passenger display, which is pretty cool right there. Pretty cool. Yeah, but gearbox is instant, but the steering is so direct. I mean, all Ferraris are direct, but this is extreme. Yeah. And then I'm very aware. What do you think? We go straight? I think we go straight here. Straight. I'm very aware of the fact that I've got 780 horsepower straight to the rear wheels. the noise, naturally aspirated V12. I really hope we're able to enjoy engines like this for a little while longer. I'm really not going to push it to start with because this thing is a beast. The seats are comfy, they're very similar to the ones I've got in my Scuderia. Very comfortable, but pretty hard. I mean, you're aware that you're in the hardcore version. When you drive a F12 Berlinetta, it feels like a Grand Tourer. Whereas, oh, look at that, old Corvette. Very cool. Feels like a Grand Tourer, the normal F12, whereas this, you're very aware that you're in a track variant. Huh. As soon as you switch down a gear. Oh! And I'm barely touching it. There's no one behind. Ready? Oh my god!
Wow!
You can feel that it's twitchy is the wrong word because that has a negative connotation, but it's very lively, and I feel like the rear tires could just leave me alone and let me sail alone at any moment. So it's like you just want to punch it, but you're scared that if you tickle it, it's going to bite your head off. Did that make any sense? I don't know, but wow, I'm really in love with the gearbox. 7-speed, obviously, double clutch. The car is so long in front, it's like I can't really see where the front is. Tell you what, I would not enjoy parking this right now, like parallel parking this thing.
No way.
Oh, bus, breathe in. Wow, I'm just kind of taking this in, guys. I hope you enjoy kind of just coming along for this ride with me. I love the fact that you've got an analog rev counter. All the rest is digital, and I can kind of like play around with different settings on this. So see, I can have my radio, media, navigation. If I put my navigation show map, that goes up on that screen. And then here I can have my tire pressure, tire temperature, my oil, battery levels, all this stuff, all my temperatures. Yeah, I mean, it's not difficult to drive slowly, but it's intimidating to drive fast. Straight? Okay, let's give it a go. Woohoo! Look at this. I mean, whoever thought we would be driving a country lane like this in the TDF? What has the world come to? This is outrageous. Look around us. This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's a really cool spot.
Okay, let's see if we can find a little road which deviates, because I want to see it from the outside again in the sun. All right, straight. Here we go. Oh no! No! Okay, the lights. How do I flash?
Il est gentil.
Merci. Merci beaucoup. C'est très gentil. Merci. They really do look at you like, why is there a 12-year-old with a GoPro on his head driving a TDF? Straight?
Yep, yep.
Okay.
All the way straight.
Look, we're testing the daily driver capabilities of the TDF. So, I'm gonna do something very brave and try race mode. The gears instantly change a little bit faster. We need to be pretty careful. Woohoo! License plate. Wow! Wow! It's a lot more violent now in race mode when you change gear. Feels like it just suddenly got really angry.
It like slaps your back.
Yeah, it really
so
does.
violent.
It's like bang, and when you change down, ready? Oh, feels more like the Scud gear shift.
Okay.
All of a sudden, right. Oh my god! Yep, race mode. Race mode. It definitely wants to have some fun. It instantly when you accelerate, it wants to bite your head off. I mean, you do not want to be tired driving this thing. You need to have your wits about you. God, that's outrageous. I'm gonna put it back in sport because race is pretty intense, and we don't want to abuse of Carugati's kindness. Oh, wee. Okay, 780 horsepower is not playing around. À droite? You get used to the indicators here pretty quickly. Excusez-moi, coming through. Damn.
Damn, son.
Wow. This, like, these types of Ferraris, I think are my favorites. The front engine V12 hardcore versions, GTO, now the 812 Competizione, which just come out. Haven't driven one yet, but yeah, now driving this, it's so cool because they're just so raw and kind of just, they feel dangerous. And I quite straight here.
Sorry, yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
No problem. And it feels like, I don't know, there's just something so extreme about them, and yet you have that classic Ferrari look. You got that Ferrari V12. Wow, look at this road, beautiful.
Whoa. Nice.
Yeah, this is cool, right?
Hello.
Hello. 7th gear, put the bumpy road button on. There you go. And I mean, okay, it's no daily, it's no proper cruiser, but you could, you know, do some GT driving in it, I guess. It's got that trick up its sleeve. I hope this experience has been immersive for you, because the idea is, I mean, I feel so lucky to experience this, and I just want it to feel for you guys like you're living it through my eyes. Oh yeah, what we're very lucky, aren't we, to be living this? This is outrageous.
So special.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. That's the great thing about, are we going left here?
No.
Okay.
400 meters.
The great thing about Geneva is you drive a couple minutes and you're out in the countryside. The only thing is you've got so much power in this car that you can't really push it too much on these roads.
Celle-là après, là où il y a les voitures tout le temps.
Ouais. The downshift. Anyway, you change paddle, you'll see the feel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And again.
So
pretty
nice.
cool, right?
Yeah, really cool.
Solid feeling.
Yeah.
The carbon just feels so solid. I feel like people look at you in this car like, you know, nice. that's a classy car. They're not kind of looking at you in a bad way, like, who's that prick in a Ferrari? In this one, they're like, oh, nice, silver, classy, front engine, V12, beautiful noise. You know what I was telling myself? If I was just cruising and I saw a silver TDF like this drive by, I would 100% turn around and follow it and be in shock. Anyways, the adventure's basically over now, guys. We're arriving back at Carrogatti, sadly.